In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed WP Forms in WordPress on your landing page. Whether you're looking to collect visitor information or enable contact through your site, embedding WP Forms is a convenient way to get it done. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your form is up and running smoothly. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure that the WP Forms plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. It's a fundamental step that sets the stage for everything else. If you haven't done this, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, and make sure to activate WP Forms. Once that's taken care of, you're all set to start creating your form. To create your form, go to WP Forms on the left-hand sidebar of your WordPress dashboard and select Add New. Here, you can craft the form that best suits your needs. Customize the form fields and settings according to your requirements. You can choose from a range of field options, such as text, email, drop-downs, and more, to structure your form in the best possible way for your audience. After you have customized your form to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your work. With the form saved, you're ready to embed it on a page. Next, navigate to the Pages section in your dashboard. You have the option to Add New. Alternatively, if there's a specific existing landing page on which you'd like to add the form, select and open that page for editing. Once you're in the page editor, you'll need to insert a block where your form will go. To do this, simply click the plus icon, which allows you to add a new block to your page. Search for WP Forms in the search bar, and then add the WP Forms block to the page. This convenient feature makes it easy to seamlessly integrate your form wherever you want it to appear on the landing page. From the drop-down menu in the WP Forms block, select the form you have just created. This step is crucial, as selecting the right form ensures that the correct fields and settings are implemented just as you planned them. After selecting your form, it's time to make everything live. If you're adding this form to a new page, publish the page. On the other hand, if you've made changes to an existing page, simply update the page to apply these enhancements. The final and most exciting step is to view your page on the front end. This is your opportunity to confirm that your form appears exactly how you envisioned, functioning seamlessly and looking great for all your visitors to see. That's it. You've successfully embedded a WP Forms form on your WordPress landing page, enhancing the interactivity and functionality of your site with just a few straightforward steps.